Hey everyone, it's Kiki. You just have to laugh at the whole situation because I thought I was recording just now and I wasn't. So, you are about to witness an unboxing. I'm really grateful to have been able to purchase these items from this seller. And I already did the unboxing, I already did the mod shots and everything for you. So I'm kind of going in reverse right now. In the box, she provided me with a envelope, as you will see. She mailed it out on April 2nd and it arrived today on April 4th, which is Friday. And that's what the tracking number said. That's why I wanted to make sure I did a video of everything to make sure everything is authentic.
And I got a package today, so we're going to do an unboxing. This package was a purchase that was made on eBay. I actually bid for this item, I think. And it's coming from Texas. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. And I covered it up, so there are no openings. Oops, something just fell down.
And then this is what's inside. Yay! So she sent me, her name is Kelly. Kelly sent me this bag so I can store the item in. I've never had one of these before, so that's awesome. I'm going to put that down on the floor. Then she went ahead and sent me this envelope inside of there. And inside this envelope, oh, she kind of sealed it, but she took... Oops. She has a receipt, but it looks like she took pictures of the item and put that in here for me. So, you know, she lets me know what each item is. And then in this envelope or manila folder, there was also an envelope, and inside of here she has the tags for all the items. So just really generous packaging, you know. She made sure she provided me with everything. Oops, there's still more in here. Thank you, Kelly. And then she also sold, like, I think 4 to 7 more items as well. So, and here's the receipt. She gave me the gift receipt in case I want to gift it to anyone else. And then she also gave me her original receipt from 2012. And she got these items at the Neiman Marcus Houston Galleria in Texas. So thank you, Kelly, for the receipts and all the labels. Much appreciated. And then this is the first item out of the box. She gave me the dust bag. That was really sweet of her. Here it is. And here's the inside of it. I never knew that inside was not a cloth. I always thought for the cosmetic cases it was a cloth. And then here's the little tab. It was made in Spain. And then I'll have to find all that good stuff that you guys talk about because I don't know where that stuff would be located. So I don't actually see a date code for this one. Let me know if there's supposed to be a date code inside of it. I don't see one. If there is one, I don't see it yet. Okay, so that's one item. The next item came in a box like this. That was really nice of her to provide me with the box. Here is the little protective bag. And then here's the item, and this is the Alexandra. This one was made in Spain as well. Has a pocket here. And I know this one has her initials stamped on it. Because she did use it. She did hot stamp it. And then here's where you put your cash if you had any. And it's in perfect condition. Let me open the zipper. There's the zipper area. So it's in really nice condition. And then the last item came in this bag. And it is this item right here. It does have the zipper, not the zipper, the button. On the button on the inside, it says the name. If you can see inside, it says made in France. And then the date code for this, which was really hard to get, is on the inside. Oh my. And it says DU 3152. And then here's that. And then here's the lining. This is a cloth. Here's a pocket. And here's a pocket. So had in pictures at the time of when she went to the store to purchase the items with the original pricing on them. The wallet, like I said, you will see her initials in it. I was able to find a date code for the wallet and the handbag / crossbody, but not the pochette. I don't know if it's supposed to have a date code or not, but to my understanding that Louis Vuitton puts date codes on all their items. And then she also gave me this envelope here. This envelope had in all the tags and the receipts. She purchased her items from Neiman Marcus. She even gave me the gift receipt from Neiman Marcus and everything like that. So I was grateful to get that. The only thing I didn't see it for, honestly, is actually here it is. It's for the, never mind, it said it right there for the Cosmetic Cosmetic Case. So yeah. Then she gave me 3 dust bags for each of my items. One of the dust bags does feel slightly different than the other 2, but that's okay if the item is real, and she gave me one box which had in it stored the wallet. So I am going to be going to the Seattle Louis Vuitton store because I want to make sure the pochette and the other two items are real. So I will comment to you and let you guys know whether or not they say it's real, all my items, and then I'll be super elated. And I purchased this item on April 1st, I believe. So if you have any questions, I will let you know. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.